Golden Vessel Electronic and Lighting, Inc. is a Sino-foreign joint venture, specialized in LED decorative lights, holiday lighting, and associated smart RGB lights. We have passed audit of the ISO 9001 Quality Management System, BSCI by SGS, and SCAN since 2008 that we became a full member of BQB in August 2012. Our membership NO is D034295.
Our products have obtained UL, CUL, ETL, CE, ROHS, REACH, FCC and other certifications. We have 10 copies of UL, including UL, CUL replacement LED or incandescent string lights, LED one-piece string lights, UL, CUL all kinds of decorative string lights with caps, E12, 17 bulbs, neon light, SMD strip lights, UL smart RGB light, solar and battery operated string light, Bluetooth app lights and all kinds of UL, CUL low voltage lights. At the same time, we have 1 ETL certification on the extension cord of lighting accessories. The company has a variety of European CE certificates, products including high voltage IP66 rubber wire lights, IP20 PVC wire lights, European rope lights, low voltage non-replacement light series and mobile phone app Bluetooth smart light series, battery box light series, projector lights certification, and all kinds of low voltage lights and mobile phone app Bluetooth smart lights have approved the corresponding FCC certification. All the above products comply with our ROHS, REACH etc. Our company has 2 American patents, Chinese invention and patents up to more than 20. The company has won the title of E-Municipal Quality Award, Provincial Specialty and New, Provincial Brand Demonstration Enterprise, Provincial and Municipal Innovative Enterprise, National High-Tech Enterprise, and so on. It has been an OEM, ODM factory for international, well-known Philips and GE brand for many years. Golden Vessel business people have been adhering to the core values of a team spirit, fear of customers, result survival, continuous growth, loyal to customers, service to customers, grateful to customers. Golden Vessel people always carry in their hearts the corporate values of implementation, responsibility, foresight, frugality and gratitude, conscientious, industrious and pragmatic, dare to innovate, keep forging ahead, grateful to the society, and walk out of a Golden Vessel peoples. Show off the persistence and brilliance of the Golden Vessel man.